And dear counties, the inclusion criteria for clubs locked out clubs and ended up with clubs 10, 160, 190 because of the passion that football excites in those countries. What Aduda is not telling you is that even in this election, we had 4 counties, Makueni, Tharaka-Nithi, Kirinyaga, and Baringo, where all the candidates, went unopposed. So we cannot complain that there are places where there are only 7 eligible clubs and there are places where there are 163. Because the way football excites passion and the way clubs organize themselves from one county to another is different.
Okay.
Of course, there are issues of equitable power that now a chairman comes with to vote at the national level. But I think those are issues that are beyond the mandate of the board. But they are very germane issues as far as the democratic process is concerned.
Ziwe, donc maradula pachokae, isebedoka intiere